Hi friends, welcome to SML Alert. Today I take a huge notification for you. This is the huge notification. This containing the various vacancies from various departments whose peoples are not subscribed this channel. Please subscribe. Who are subscribed this channel? Please like, share, comment. I can try to explain the total notification. This notification from the Goa Shipyard Limited, shipbuilders, ship repairs and engineers. Okay friends, this notification containing the various vacancies from various departments like general, fitter 5 vacancies, electrical mechanic 1, commercial assistant 1, technical assistant 3, unskilled 25, FPR laminator 5, EOT crane operator 10, welder 26, structural fitter 42, nurse 3, technical assistant commercial 2, technical assistant store 5, trainee khalasi 09 vacancies are there. The pay scale is above 15,000 rupees. Upper age limit of SC/ST candidates is 38 years, OBC candidates 36 years, and general and ESW candidates 33, PH candidates 43, PH candidates for SC/ST 48 years, PH candidates OBC 46. There is a one important note friends. For the post from serial number 6 to 12, serial number 6 FRP laminator to 12 technical assistant store, from 6 to 12 15 vacancies are reserved for ex-servicemen, and also serial number 5 unskilled, totally 25 vacancies are there. From 25 vacancies 3 vacancies are reserved for the ex-servicemen. The interested candidates should apply through online mode only. Application process is already started from 4th May. The last date for submitting the online application 4th June 2021. Remember friends, last date of receiving of the original demand draft at Goa Shipyard Limited. Payment will be offline mode. Please remember this thing. Friends, going to educational qualifications. Every candidate should possess the ITI from relevant departments and relevant experiences also. Interested candidates can apply this application through the online mode, and the payment will be in the form of demand draft of 200 rupees. This is the totally offline mode. Please post this demand draft to the Goa Shipyard Limited. The fee will be exempted for the SC/ST and PH candidates. Please remember this thing. This total information regarding to this notification I already given below the description box. Please visit and apply. I hope every candidate should apply this notification. Friends, one more thing, who are not subscribed this channel, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.